Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today we're going to be looking at how to clean your pizza stone when you get it really dirty like this, or even worse. This is the debris from my last cook, and this is a proper pizza brush. And so this brush, just show you how it's quite long, so you can get into the oven and you can just use this to brush your debris off. And as you can see here, it's kind of not getting that black stuff off. You're going to have to burn that off, but it's got the top bit of debris off. This grill brush is good with the rock box because you can actually get your hand inside the rock box and clean off the stone, because you can't bring the stone out with the rock box. But you can just get it off like that, get all the main bits of debris off using one of these. So normally I'd put this face down for my next cook, so I'm cooking. I turn this bit to the front and I'd have that bit at the back so that you can get rid of that debris by the time you put your pizza in. But today I just want to show you how much of this will burn off from the heat of the flame in there. So let's turn this oven on. So I've got that on now, and I'll come back in about 15 minutes to see how much that's burnt off. I will be making a pizza on that stone, so I want that to burn as much of the debris off as possible before my cook. So it's been about 15 minutes since I put the oven on. The stone is now in the middle, about 450. I'm going to give you a bit of a closer look. You can see the stone in there, but I just try and bring it out for you to show you. How it's cleaned the stone at the back. There. So all that debris has gone from the back. So what you might want to do if you've got a really bad case of debris is, when it's cooled, is to turn it round like this. Obviously don't do it when it's hot like this. Don't do what I do. I've got a glove. So basically you can turn it round. You can see there that it's half of it where the heat was is completely nice and clean, and I'm just doing that little bit at the back. I don't normally do this. I would have cooked from the underside part of the stone, but I just want to show you, if it's really bad and you're really worried about it, how easy it is to get all this black debris off. So I'll just leave that now to burn for about 5 to 10 minutes and see how much of that debris comes off there, and we'll come back and check it out. It's been 10 minutes since we checked on the stone. It's been on full, kept it on full just to get as much heat as possible. So I'm gonna, I think there's a little finger hole under here somewhere. You can use it to get your stone out. Okay, so here we go. That's looking, look at the difference already. It's looking good. So there's only that little bit there left, and the other part of the stone is absolutely spotless. So I'll turn this bit around now just to get this totally clean. You should only do this when it's cold, by the way, not when it's boiling hot. Look, see, my glove is steaming. It's really hot. Okay, so I've put that to the back now. I leave that for another 5 minutes, and then you can see how clean this stone can get just by using the heat from the oven. Okay, so that's been about another 10 minutes. I think 5 would have been fine, but I just made sure. I'm going to check on the stone. Look at that. So there you are. That's how to clean your pizza stone. Just put it in your oven and let it all burn off, and if you need to, turn it round and get the extra debris off, but it'll come up as clean as that with very little effort and a lot of high heat. So I'm going to use this now, cool it right down. I'll show you what the outside body temperature is actually, because I don't think I've ever tested it. So the outside temperature is 153. This will work on all of the Ooni stones, the Ooni Karu, the Ooni 3, the Ooni Pro with the wood fire or the gas, and this Ooni Koda. So I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.